Senate Bill 14. Imagine this. Imagine a state agency tries to pass a rule to protect public safety, like limiting pollution near homes or tightening safety standards at a job site. Now imagine a well-funded company challenges that rule in court, not because it's unsafe, but because the agency missed a paperwork step. Under this bill, the rule can be delayed or thrown out. What the bill says it does? Senate Bill 14 says it will cut red tape, make government rules easier to understand, and help businesses and the public navigate state regulations more clearly. What it actually does? This means the governor's office can now steer which rules get reviewed or weakened, while state agencies lose independence. This means companies can more easily challenge and block regulations, while agencies lose the ability to rely on their expertise in court. This means judges, not subject matter experts, decide technical regulatory questions, and industries with lawyers gain an advantage. Who benefits? Large business groups and industry associations, companies that want fewer regulations or easier ways to fight them, and the governor's office, which gains centralized control over rule review. Who pays the price? Everyday Texans who rely on safety, health, and consumer protections. Local communities affected by weaker environmental or workplace rules. Taxpayers who fund a new bureaucracy while protections are reduced. Why it matters. Rules are how laws actually protect people in real life. When those rules are easier to overturn, protections do not disappear quietly. The risk shifts onto families, workers, and communities. If agencies are afraid to act or lose in court over technical errors, everyday Texans are the ones exposed. Questions to ask your lawmakers. Why centralize regulatory power in the governor's office instead of improving transparency within agencies? How are Texans protected when rules can be overturned over paperwork mistakes instead of public safety concerns? What safeguards exist to ensure the bill does not weaken health, safety, or environmental protections? Bottom line, Senate Bill 14 is sold as efficiency, but it shifts power away from public agencies and towards politics and industry, leaving everyday Texans with fewer protections.